Hello there, hope all is well. So I'm sharing this video again to show you that all the images they are working fine. If you are seeing any issues like distortion, you need to make sure that you have cleared the cache on your WordPress website, or sorry, on your browser, so you can see the actual changes. The first thing first, I have changed the arrows and they have been made like the more categories. Now I'm going to show you all the categories one by one. So you said that so in paint category, all the introduction images are distort on mobile, and I had a dream is also distort on desktop. So I will go to paint. Okay, so I'm in the paint category. All right, so I had a dream. You can see that this looks fine on desktop. There is no distortion as well at all. If I open this image, this is like a rectangular horizontal image, and it is resizing properly over here. And if I check this on mobile phone, you can see that there is absolutely no sort of distortion at all. So you just need to make sure that all the um, like you have cleared your browser cache and cookies, so you don't find any problems at all. So I think let me open up other categories as well. Okay, all square color flies, little on the distorted desktop. I will also check the color flies. This is the color flies, and yeah, as you can see that large images are coming large, small images are coming small, and they are resizing properly. So I don't think so that there is any problem at all anymore. Just make sure that you have cleared the cache and cookies on website, and you will not face these problems at all. Please correct me or teach me. I already have shown to you how to change the images. Just go ahead and make the changes carefully, and everything will be working as smooth as possible. Regarding the footer widgets, so basically for the footer, you have to go to appearance and widgets. Once you are here, you will go to the footer widget one. Once you click here, you will see these three widgets. If you click on reach me, you will find the information over here. So for instance, the first one says email, and this one says the name, sorry, address. So just don't change any code. If you want to change the email, just change the email and stuff here. If you want to change the social icons, click on social links, and over here you will find the links. If you want to add more links for, like, let's suppose LinkedIn, just add the LinkedIn link here, and it will appear on the front end. For the horizontal menu, so select menu. Right now we have selected the footer menu. So if you go here under menus, and from here you will see the footer menu, you will select the footer menu, and the footer menu will appear here, as you can see. So you can remove anything from here, or from the left you can add any menu item. You can also rearrange the menus like this. So let me know if you have any questions. I will be sending the delivery for this order because I have to meet the deadline. And once you're done with all the changes across the gallery, just let me know on the same order page or on the inbox, and I will migrate this website over to your domain. Meanwhile, if you find absolutely any issues, just let me know, and I will take care of that. Thank you very much.